So in this video, I'm going to review No-Click Profits software that is being released on Warrior Plus. This software promises all-in-one free viral traffic solution that works every time. So I'm going to check the product claims, whether it is whatever claims on the sales page it is meeting. So I'm going to go into the actual product and demo you the features this product is offering. And so let's look at what are the things we're going to cover in this video. So this no-click profits review, this is being released on Warrior Plus, and vendor is Hugo Carson, is releasing on Thursday 10th September 10 a.m. EST. So we're going to review, go over the product overview. We'll check the actual product and see what are the features available in the product. We'll see the members area, we'll see the sales page and what are its features for this product, and what are the upgrades available in this product, and what is good and what is not good, and I'll give a summary at the end. So watch the full video to get all the features of this product, right? So please subscribe to my channel if you want to get latest reviews of products released on either Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank, and please click on the like button if you like this video. So let's review this sales page and see what are the features this product is offering. This product is offering all-in-one viral traffic solution. This says like no experience required. It says one of the kind of product, blast any link of your choice, web-based software, and step-by-step training included. And they say like 180-day money-back guarantee as well. Let us see if any other features based on this. It seems to be kind of a shiny object product, but anyway, we'll go into the actual product and see what are the features that are available. So once you buy this product, you log in into the members area and turn on new campaign and watch as you get flooded with free traffic. So this is the product that's offering. So once you buy it, you go to member area and you create new campaigns and get flooded with free traffic. That is the sales page says. And they say like a lot of money made through this campaign, and so let's see how these products you can make money using this product, right? So basically, so what they say, free traffic code, they're saying like it's a free traffic method, and also we'll check it. So there's a lot of promises on the sales page that lot of money made with this software. So let's go into the actual product and see what it is offering. So this is the actual product that you're going to get once you buy it. So it's a no-click profits. Let me go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and these are the different campaigns that are created. So the dashboard is good, and basically there is email sign-up campaign, test campaign, email sign-up test, and it says how many visitors, 2, 1, 0, and all, and so manage winners. So you can say number of winners. I'll repeat your name and all. It's some dashboard, so it's not like this is a good dashboard. Let's look at how the campaign works, right? So in the campaign section, they gave templates for email giveaway, Facebook template, question template, Twitter template, and all that. So if you take like Facebook template, so what is asking is asking for Facebook template. So it's giving a preview of this our campaign, and there is settings here like title, description, campaign, demo board, start date, end date. So you can select start date and date for these campaigns. So So this will says 2019. So you can select latest time. So you can select time zone, right? And you can add some terms and conditions as well if you want to add some URL or things like that. Then you can add some creatives, like you can upload some image, right? So if you have some image, you can upload. So you can see the image here. So this is time campaign, right? So then you can do some user settings, right? You can connect to either Facebook, Twitter, things like that, age. So you can add Twitter, mail, Twitch, Google, and all that, where you can send this campaign. And what are the actions, Facebook visit. So you can put like somebody want like what people need to take action. They can visit their Facebook page, or they can post to Facebook. Right. Those are the different actions on this campaign. So here, visit Facebook page, post to Facebook, things like that. Then what are the rewards that are giving? Like if you are sharing any lead magnet or things like that, you can put it here. And the campaign message. So message sent with task completion, message sent to winners, message sent to non-winners, like that. So then appearance and authorized countries. So you can basically save it as a campaign. Right, so this is the Facebook campaign. So you can track the stats, how many visitors, how many entrants, and settings, edit, and all that stuff. This is all good. And who are the subscribers for this system? So these are the people subscribed. If somebody signs up on your campaign, right, it will show up here. So basically this is a campaign. They gave us a couple of templates for the campaigns and way to share on social media and things like that. But there is no unlimited traffic or free traffic. You cannot make money. It's not like a viral money and things like that unless you have followers and you have email list or you have followers on Facebook or Twitter. You're not going to make any money on it. Also, there is no way to there is no training material added in this product, so people will be confused on how to use this product. If somebody is very new or beginner into this making money campaign niche. So if you want to make money, if you are an absolute beginner, it's not easy, it's not user friendly how to make money using this software. So based on the sales based features and based on the actual product, I don't see to be this product will be delivering whatever the real value they're promising. So so based on my knowledge from many years of buying these kind of products, I don't recommend this product for beginners who want to make money online. If you want to go for the valuable training, actual training which actually makes you money, go to the description link. Go to the link in the description in the video, so you can access the free training that is provided in the link to learn about making money online. So it's not a quick rich scheme for making money online. You need to put effort for at least 1 to 3 months to learn the techniques for how to start a online business and how to start making money. So buying these kind of softwares will not make you rich. So that's why you should actually go through the proper training and spend time and learn the strategies to make money online. Using online strategies. So buying these kind of softwares will not make you rich, and don't waste money on these shiny objects that's being released regularly on the platform. Right. So let's go to the full complete the review of this product features. So this product comes with various upgrades. So the front end cost is $17, and there is unlimited version like $47, automated version like $37, and Vertigo 3 no click done for you traffic $97. Vertigo 4 is no click done for you viral blogs $97. Vertigo 5 is no click profits platinum edition $97. Vertigo 6 is agency and reseller rights $97. So even because the basic product is not promising anything, so going for these Vertigos doesn't make any sense. It's not useful for beginners. So what is good? Software works. You can manage campaigns for different social media platforms. So what is not so good is there is no traffic. So it creates low quality products. So even if your campaigns there is a lot of better products available where you can create high quality campaigns and things like that. So value claims not real. So there's a lot of money promised in sales page, but it's not real unless you have traffic and social media followers. You're not going to make money using this software, and this is basically another shiny object product that you should be avoiding. So based on this, this average quality, no traffic, no sales, and so based on this, so my review is giving like 2 out of 10. My suggestion is it's avoid for beginners who wants to make money online. If you really want to make money online, go to the link in the description that's provided. The free training link is provided. Go through that link and go through those videos and modules provided in that description to really start making money online using proven methods, and don't fall for these shiny objects. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share it with your friends so that any latest product reviews and any reviews that posted in this channel can be, your friends also can benefit from these product reviews, right? And if you have any questions or comments on this video or the product, put it in the comment section. I will be able to reply to your comments as soon as possible.